Hey, this is a screencast series called Vim Un-Alphabet. My name is Josh Branshaw, and this is episode 26 in the series. In this episode, we'll be looking at the slash character. First off, the slash character can be used when starting a Vim session as a search pattern option. This option finds the first occurrence of that pattern and places the cursor on that line. Let's see an example of that by first writing and quitting Vim. So I can say I want to open Vim with 26.md, and then with the +/ command, I can specify my pattern as the word pattern. I'll hit enter and Vim opens, and you can see the cursor is on line 17, where the first occurrence of the word pattern is. See the help files for more on how that works. The next and likely most common use of the slash character is for searching forward for a pattern in the current buffer. I can hit / from normal mode to start a search, and then typing in the word pattern, it will look forward to find the next occurrence. A search can also be preceded with a count. So if I hit 2 and then do the same search, it will find the second next occurrence of the word pattern. So it skips past this one and matches on this second one. Another augmentation of the search command is providing an offset for the cursor. So I can search for the word pattern and then provide an offset of 1. Hitting enter, it places the cursor on line 23, which is one line after the match on line 22. I can also provide a negative number as the offset. Again, searching for the word pattern and then providing an offset of -4, it places the cursor on line 20, which is 4 lines above where the match was on line 24. Next, the slash is used to separate the different parts of a substitute command. I'll start by opening a substitution for the entire file, and I want to find any singular or plural occurrences of the word pattern, and then replace it with some nonsense like this. Adding another slash, I can then include any flags. I often like to include the global flag so that multiple substitutions can happen on a single line, and then the confirm flag so that I can opt in and out of the different substitutions. And I'll hit yes to confirm each one of these. That's it for substitutions. I'll undo that last change and move on to the last topic. Here, you can view and edit previous search commands that you've issued. Hitting Q/, Vim opens this specialized window with all previous searches. You'll notice ones that were used earlier in this episode. I can rerun any of these by hitting enter on it, or I can edit first. For example, if I change this one to +4 and hit enter, then Vim jumps the cursor 4 lines ahead of this match right here. This is similar to Q:, which opens the command line window, as we saw in the episode on colon. That's it for this episode. Check out the help files for more details and options. In the next episode, we'll be looking at the question mark character.